So I am nearly ready to use my lathe. It's all in place. It's looking fantastic. Just a few more things to tidy up, and then I'm going to turn it on, give it its first little run, eh? Follow me. So we're just going to finish. This is the base that the lathe came on, and it's quite sturdy, but it's got all these bolts in it. Now I don't want to have any go to waste, so I'm going to keep these. Give you a quick look over, and then I'll just give you a rundown on some of the specs. Okay, so the feet, it's just on wood at the moment. I'm going to make some feet up or get some leveling feet for it. This is 1 meter between centers. It has a 38mm bore. It's comes with a little steady in the back for holding longer parts. It's got some change gears. Comes with the DRO as seen. It's got lots of speeds and feeds and threading. It is variable speed. So it has a low box and a high box. There's my speeds. Very happy with that. Got the light, the stand, the standard stuff. Foot brake. So what did it come with? It came with a face plate. Pretty solid. Decent size. Come with a 4-jaw as standard. And now I got these end mills and slot drill set. Try it out. I'm probably not going to use it on stainless because it does look a little bit cheap, but should get me through the mild steel jobs. Chew through the plastic. Now this is a collet adapter, and this goes into the headstock and for pulling collets up and holding end mills. So I got that as an extra, the live center, cute wee one. I've got some high-speed steel boring bar holder, a little right-hand turning, and they are 1/4 inch high-speed steel. Sorry, they hold 1/4 inch high-speed steel. This is a attachment for the compound tool post, and it's got this cute little vise that came with it, so I can do some milling in there also. Came with these 3 extra, so 4 altogether tool holders. Standard little box with all the little heaps of tools, and your dead centers, 2 different dead centers, some change gears, and some outside jaws for the 3-jaw chuck. They can all live in there. One of the next jobs I've got to do is I'm going to mount this just going to get mounted along the back side there, and I'm going to hold all the tooling on the back of the splash guard. Nice. Got that right. Whoa. That's right. That. Okay. So, lights on. Lights off. Cool pump works. So let's make sure we've got her in gear. We're in low box. BSD's down. Reset button. Emergency stop is off. Let's turn it on. Neat. Goes forwards. Goes backwards. Now, here's for the fun part. We are doing 75 RPM. Ooh, 100 RPM. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's low box. That's the slowest speed in low box. That's cool. Chuck a couple of safeties on. Double check that the chuck is tight. Look at the high box. Low speed. So we're doing 340 RPM. 550, 700, 830, now, seem as though this is my brand new lathe, and this is the first time it's run. I'm going to warm it up. So we're going to run it at 150 RPM. I'm going to leave it there for a couple of minutes. Check the oils. Oil's good. Get another light on, eh? That oil's good, and happens if we do the e-stop? Should we test it? That works. Brake down here. That works. Happy with that. Alright, let's have a look in the headstock. See how oil's getting flung around. So here we had the screws holding this housing going into the end of this plate on the top. So we've got a, looks like a cork seal, and then it's been backed up with a little bit of extra gasket glue. It's not bad. So we'll get rid of all that gasket glue before we put it back on. Now we can have a little look inside, give it a little turn, see what she looks like. So that's freewheeling, no gear, low box. So that's low box. And high box. So I'll get that cleaned up and then we'll turn it back on neutral.